On trade and economic operation, we welcome the steady progress made and the strong opportunities for further expansion and diversification of our trade. We identified key areas of growth, including pharmaceuticals, tea, edible oils, cosmetics, industrial products, agro-processing, areas to do with energy, especially in oil and gas, areas in agriculture, especially the competitive advantage Kenya has, which we are ready to share with our friends and brothers in Mozambique, in horticulture, areas of importance in business. The president here informed me about the big business community from Kenya that is in Mozambique, and the relations and the enterprise that they are undertaking, contributing to the economy of Mozambique, and the need for us to build even stronger relations between us, connecting the port of Mombasa with the port of Beira, and looking at opportunities in the exploitation of coal and the use of that in Kenya, especially for our cement factories, and all the other areas of cooperation, including the flights, Kenya Airways flights to Nampula in northern Mozambique, and the need to extend that and to reconnect the city of Maputo and the city of Nairobi. To advance this, we agreed to strengthen business linkages through participation in trade fairs and exhibitions, just like the one the president came to yesterday, enhance engagement through the Kenya-Mozambique Business Forum, and address tariff and non-tarrif barriers to unlock greater trade flows and promote mutually beneficial growth.